bit tight in here. What's up, everybody? This is a new mic you're seeing. Mic 2.0. Last time you saw me, I was sad, depressed, being a little bitch. Not anymore. Everything has changed. I'm gonna be telling you guys all the updates that have happened. A lot of stuff has happened, and I got a lot of plans for the future. Starting with, I'm staying in Mexico, not going back to Virginia. A little background, if you guys watched the Gringo Grubs episode number 1, I talked about meeting my Mexican wife and how I ended up living here. Well, we are no longer together at this point, so that's why I wasn't sure if I would be coming back to the States, literally stopping Full Throttle Films and doing something else. But after a lot of thought and a little convincing from my good friend Enrique, I decided to stay. And he's given me a place to live along with a place to set up my shop, which I have already done. And I'm gonna put a couple videos right now of how that process went. We ended up grading out some of the dirt to get a flat spot, and I bought this big canopy to put my shop inside all my tools and get started like that. So definitely on a budget this time. It's all gonna work out because I have a dream, man, and that dream is not going away anytime soon. Thankfully, my friend Kike also believes in me and believes in what we want to do together, which is now ride bikes every day and go on adventures, start a bike club down here. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff. And on top of that, I'm going to be posting content almost every other day. Instead of doing a lot of editing, my plan is to keep the videos maybe shorter or at least very simple to edit, and that way I can get more stuff out for you guys. I'm really trying to boost this YouTube algorithm. Speaking of that, I want to continue doing YouTube. I wasn't sure it would be sustainable, but now that I'm living here, I'm living a lot more cheap as well, and I'm gonna keep going for it. I think if I really put in a lot of time and work right now, that the channel is gonna take off, and this is our year. I mean, we're almost at 60,000 subscribers, which is freaking awesome. I love you guys. And as you can see, we've got the YZ450 Supermoto and the CR250 Supermoto. This bike needs a little bit of work. I'm going to be doing that this week. And we got this Italica over here. We're going to be doing some more stuff with Italicas because they're bigger here in Mexico. We got 3 more bikes back here, including my 450R, which is quite messed up. I'll show you what that looked like. This thing got a hit straight to the radiator. And those are the brand new radiators I just installed not that long ago, so I'm going to be replacing the right one with a original Honda radiator that I kept. Me and Kike have been riding like every day, getting footage stacked up. I'm just going to be putting these clips together and uploading them. Like I said, I just hope that you all are ready for the next chapter in Full Throttle Films. It's about to be awesome. You've seen the bikes right now. Let me take you over to the new shop and let's go check it out, what it looks like right now. I've been working on it all week. All right, let's go for a walk. Say goodbye to the bikes, taking you guys with me over to the shop. And one more thing, I just want to say that now all this is possible because my really good friend Enrique is helping me out a lot. And he's the one who I restored the XR250 for, the 1982. Check out that series if you haven't already. I cannot thank the guy enough. And the other thing that made this possible is that I've got my mind clear. I'm thinking straight. I'm happy for the first time in a while. Really just enjoying my life and doing things on my own terms now. So I've also been disciplined this week and working really hard. And let me show you what the results of that look like right behind me. This is going to be the new Full Throttle Films workshop. Let me flip it around. So nothing fancy, just got this pop-up canopy that I got from Costco, and I've been laying the whole floor down with cardboard for now. It's just straight up dirt underneath. So we were able to get it pretty flat. It's got a little high spot on this side. It's gonna work. That's my floor for now. Hopefully I'll get some concrete in the future, but everything's on a budget right now. I actually sold a ton of my old shop supplies and parts because I thought I was coming back to Virginia like an idiot. But yeah, now I'm gonna be starting over a little bit. Gonna have to buy some more tools, but it's a good start. Definitely a good start. So yeah, I'm just slowly putting this shop together. Got a ton of new tools to try out. And the biggest thing is this new full-size blaster that I got here. So I'll be able to do 20-inch wheels and maybe even a full-size motorcycle frame. Hopefully that's the plan. But I also got this really cool vapor honer. It's a little mini vapor honer, but you can do engine cases, cylinders, cylinder heads, and any other just aluminum parts that you want to restore, make them look better than original. Did save my big compressor. Pretty much the last thing I need to do is I need to get a 220 volt setup so I can run my air compressor, and I need someone to build me a very large oven so I can bake out the parts that I powder coat. And that's about it. I'm gonna just be throwing all my tools back in the box. So once I get that all set up, I'll be ready to rock, man. I'll be ready to do powder coat, Cerakote, bike restoration, modifications, repairs, you name it. That's what I'm going to be doing here to help sustain my dream of continuing to make YouTube videos and live adventures every day and enjoy life. So the first thing we're going to be doing in this shop is building the XR50 that I took apart like almost a year ago. It was for my ex-wife and now it's going to be for me. I'm going to be building it for myself and making it look super badass. Definitely not pink and gold anymore, but yeah, the thing is I sold my KLX 110L. Oh, I'm still hurting over that. I freaking missed that bike so much already, but it's cool. I'm gonna build this XR50 and it's gonna be so much fun, maybe even more fun. Goddamn. If you follow Moto Bro, he's been ripping around on one for a while and it's definitely got me excited to build mine. So that's pretty much the shop. It's a pretty good size. It's gonna work for me. A little bit messy still, but this was a lot of work. And my God, am I proud of this shit. I'm living upstairs in this house right here. So yeah, I definitely want to show you guys my new crib, the new pad upstairs. It's pretty fresh. Also put in a lot of work to paint the bathroom and everything and get my room looking right, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm stoked. I'm really happy with everything that's going on right now. And I think it's gonna show a lot in the channel, the content. I'm also gonna try to bring everyone a little more into my life, into the lifestyle that we're living down here, because that's the whole reason I couldn't leave. I didn't want to come back. I absolutely love my life down here in Mexico. I'm so free. You can do whatever you want. It's absolutely amazing. And I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. All the adventures, all the good food we're gonna eat. This means Gringo Grubs is still gonna continue. It's gonna be better than ever. Also gonna be saying goodbye to the Tundra. That's for sale. Might even get sold tomorrow, which is Monday. Yeah, I'm gonna be using that money to get myself a cheap truck, maybe like a Ford Ranger or something. And I will be putting the rest of the money into my shop and making sure that this business can get going. I'm really excited. This is it. This is everything I've ever wanted. Riding, adventures. We're gonna be working out, getting in shape. Let me know what you think of this video. I've dropped a lot of stuff and I wanna hear what everyone's thinking. So let me know, and if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be a wild ride from now on. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be real soon. Peace.